Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome back to your one recorded session of social studies. I'm your teacher, Ms. Jaziba Khurram from the Smart School Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Galistani Jahar campus. This is your social studies recorded lecture in which we are going to do the copy working of our chapter Life in a Pakistani City. As we have enough discussed about this chapter, so it's just time to move on to its copy work now. So the topic is question and answers, and you know the rule. For that you need to open your social studies copies. I want you all to take out your social studies copy. I'm counting till 5 for you all to take out your copies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know you all are my very good and efficient students. You all must be sitting with your social studies copies now, as you must have heard before that it is the written work session. Before starting off our new chapter, we have to make a life title page of it, Life in a Pakistani City. I like this made, that's why I have attached it over here. You can show your creativity that you all show in every time. I love it the way you all try to decorate it, your copies. So just do whatever you think your creativity can do. I will very much appreciate each and every effort of yours. Not only this, after that you need to make your index as well. As you see that in previous days I haven't attached, I'm not attaching that much of index because now you are well prepared, you are well trained enough, so you know how to make the index as well. Moving on to our next slide, which is the topic question and answers. Now you can see that I have already written the question with blue color because a lot of students were very much confused as the new students have started to attend the classes as well, and they were much more late to join us. But for them and for the you as well, I am trying my level best to put up things as easy as it can be. So date should be written on the left hand side and CW on the right hand side. Topic question and answer should be written beneath the red lines, two red lines, not on those red lines because I don't like it. Question number 1. Why do people move from villages to cities? लोग गांव से लेके शहर में क्यों आते हैं? Answer is hundreds of people move from villages to cities for higher studies, better job opportunities and improved living standards. Now you must be wondering that teacher have put up so much difficult words over here, but no. The words are difficult but the meaning is very much simple. The meaning is just that बहुत सारे लोग जो हैं city से village से city इसलिए आते हैं because they need the higher education, they need good studies, they need better opportunities for job, they need better jobs and they need a very good living standard which the city is providing them. Obviously village life is obviously that was difficult from the city life, but still both have their ups and downs as well. So that's why people move from villages to city because they need higher education, better job opportunities and improved living standards. Question number 2. Name any 4 big cities of Pakistan. किसी भी 4 बड़ी cities के name बताने हैं पाकिस्तान के. You all know the answer. Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad and Peshawar are few big cities of Pakistan. Now I want you all to write the spellings very much correctly. Karachi's spelling Carichi, and be much very careful that starting of the name of a city should be with capital letter. Lahore, Lahore, Lahore. Islamabad, Islamabad, Islamabad. Peshawar. This is the spelling where most of the students will be confused. Peshawar. So these are the few big cities of Pakistan. Moving on to the next one. Question number 3. Write the difference between metropolitan and cosmopolitan city. Now you will be wondering, we have discussed this in our classes as well, that what is actually a metropolitan city and what is a cosmopolitan city. So starting off from a metropolitan city. A metropolitan city has a large and high population with numerous employment opportunities. For example, Islamabad. मेट्रोपॉलिटन वो सिटी होती है जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा लोग रहते हैं और जिनको बहुत ज़्यादा जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलती हैं. नॉट ओनली दैट, इंपॉर्टेंट ऑफिशियल ऑफिसेज आर ऑल्सो देयर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इस्लामाबाद इज़ द मेन city main our capital city, so that's why Islamabad is a metropolitan city. A cosmopolitan city. A cosmopolitan city is a city with a population of people from different cultures, religions, and ethnic backgrounds. For example, Karachi. You all know, and I have already discussed in our live session as well, that कॉस्मोपॉलिटन सिटी इज अ सिटी जहाँ पे बहुत डिफरेंट तरह के लोग आते हैं like people coming from all over the provinces come and live over here. They have different cultures, they have different standard of living, they have different religions, but still they all live together. That's what our Karachi is all about. So that's the main reason that all of people fall in love with this beautiful city. So Karachi is a cosmopolitan city where different culture of people live and enjoy their life to the fullest. Now question number 4 is discuss any 3 problems faced by people living in cities. What are actually the 3 problems that people in cities actually face? So the answer is 3 major problems faced by people living in cities are overcrowding, pollution, insufficient water availability. Number 1, overcrowding. Overcrowding means too many people live here. As I said before in our previous slide, that yes, a lot of people from different provinces, do different cities, they do come, and not over cities but different countries as well, do come and live over here. So that's why it is overcrowded. बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों का rush होना is known as overcrowding. Pollution. Pollution. Pollution is also main our cause because a lot of traffic, a lot of industries, factories that releases the gases and the smoke they are releasing is causing the pollution, and which is very not good for our health because we breathe in that air with the full of dust, smoke, each and everything. Number 3 is insufficient water availability. Insufficient water availability means जब पानी की किल्लत हो या पानी की बहुत कमी हो. So this is what it means, that when we do not have enough water for our daily use, which almost all of the city people face, which we face, which you face, in which I in previous chapter in which I asked you to write one problem that your area is facing, and a lot of students were writing that the water problem. So for that I didn't even get to know that yes, not only us or any other people, but all of the Karachi people are facing this insufficient water availability as well. So these are the 3 major problems that people living in cities face: overcrowding, pollution, and insufficient water availability. Question number 5. Discuss 2 facilities enjoyed by people living in cities. Now we have discussed the cons, we have to discuss the pros as well. So we have to discuss the 2 facilities enjoyed by people living in cities. So 2 facilities that people living in cities enjoy are: number 1, people enjoy different entertainment sports like amusement parks, shopping malls, etc. Yes, we do enjoy these things, but not nowadays because of this coronavirus situation. We are not allowed to go out that much. But before this situation, we all used to go out for the entertainment spots, not only shopping malls, amusement parks, but the restaurants, each and everything that is makes our city most beautiful and beautiful at the night time. Number 2, people living in cities get proper health care. Yes, city people do get proper health care. In opposite of it is that the village area where the people have to travel a lot distance to get their इलाज करवाना या कुछ भी करवाने के लिए they need to go real far away for a proper checkup. But not in city, because city people enjoy proper things over here because we have government hospitals, we have private hospitals as well. So people in cities get proper health care and they enjoy different entertainment spots like amusement parks, shopping malls. You can add more, 2-3 more points like restaurants, cinemas, whatnot. A lot more than that. Moving on to the 6th and the last question. Why would you choose to live in a city or a village? Give at least 3 reasons. Well, I wrote the answer of my choice because I would choose village life because I will love village life. Because I have been living whole my life in the city life, so I would like to see what actually village life is. And as all of people have told a lot that what kind of village life is. Village has calm and clean air. It's very beautiful, serene environment over there. The access for food in the city is more easier, but in the village the food is more natural and healthy. हमें शहर में खाना तो बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मिल जाता है और बहुत जल्दी मिल जाता है. ऑन वन ऑर्डर वी गेट फूड ऑन द स्टेप ऑफ आवर फ्लोर ऑन द डोर. बट विलेज में जो फूड है इट इज़ वेरी नेचुरल एंड इट्स हेल्दी एज वेल. नंबर 3, we can enjoy the peaceful life and admire the beauty of nature. जहाँ हम शहर में जो चीज़ें फील नहीं कर पाते, जो चीज़ें हम इंजॉय नहीं कर पाते, we can do these things in our village life as in the village life. Not only that, we can enjoy the beauty of nature as well. We can admire that Allah has blessed us with so many beautiful things over here, the greenery all over the village that we often see in our city life. So that's what I like about these 3 points. You can disagree to my point as well, and you can add like I would choose city life because, and you can add your 3 points as well. It's an open for you all that if you want whether you want to choose my opinions and you whether you want to choose yours. So mine would be that village. I will choose village life because village has calm and clean air. It has access for good and natural healthy food, and we can enjoy the peaceful life and admire the beauty of nature that we don't see in our city life. By this video is about to end and I hope you love and enjoy this question and answer session. By through these question and answer session in these recorded videos, we get to know about chapter more about it. So by this the video is ending. I hope you all enjoyed it and you will work according to the video and very properly. Spelling should be very correctly mentioned. I hope I will see you all through in the live sessions or in the physical class where the whatever mean you are using. Till then, good luck to you all. Take care of yourself, you all. Allah Hafiz.